students, good morning. Welcome back to EduStar video class. You are watching class 5 subject social lesson 17 freedom struggle revision part. The revolt of 1857 was the first struggle for independence from the British. However, the revolt failed because it was not organized properly. But the revolt created the nationalism among the Indians. Further, many Indians were influenced by the Western education. They started forming association and organization to raise the nationalist sentiments among the people. The Indian National Congress INC was formed in 1885 to unite the people of the country. The INC had leaders to discuss the problems of the people. The leaders put forward the demands of the people through petitions, memoranda and speeches to the government. They demanded that Indians be appointed to high position, end racial discrimination and drain of wealth. Leaders such as Dadabhai Naoroji, Surendranath Banerjee and Gopal Krishna Gokhale were known as moderates. They believed in peaceful method to get their demands. However, their demands were rejected by the British government. Leaders such as Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal were known as radicals. They demanded Swaraj or self-government. They boycotted England-made clothes and promoted Indian clothes. They rejected English schools and promoted Indian education. They also left British service and asked people to join their movements. Next we will recall about Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His mother was Putlibai and his father was Karamchand Gandhi. He was married at the age of 13 to Kasturibai. He went to London to become a lawyer. After London, Gandhiji went to South Africa to practice law. Like India, South Africa was under the control of British. There, Gandhiji suffered racial discrimination, means color discrimination. And you all know about famous incident. He was thrown off from his first class coach in spite of having a valid ticket. These incidents were the turning point in Gandhiji's life and he followed Satyagraha. Satyagraha means truth and non-violence. He fought and won civil rights movements in South Africa on the basis of Satyagraha. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915 from South Africa. Gandhiji played a leading role in 3 local movements in Champaran, Kedah and Ahmedabad. Gandhiji was successful in all the movements through Satyagraha and non-violence. Gandhiji soon became as a people's leader. In 1919, Gandhiji launched the Rowlatt Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act. According to the Rowlatt Act, the British had power to send anyone to jail without any reason. Gandhiji was protested against the Rowlatt Act and Gandhiji was arrested. On 13th April 1919, people gathered in a small park in Amritsar called Jallianwala Bagh to protest against the Rowlatt Act. Thousands of men, women and children were a part of this protest. General Dyer, an officer of the British Army, blocked the only exits of the Jallianwala Bagh and ordered his troops to open fire on the people gathered there. Thousands of people, which includes men, women and children, were killed in this incident. In the First World War, Turkey was defeated. Britain took control of Turkey in 1919 and removed the Khilafah. Muslims considered the Khilafah as their spiritual leader. So they started the Khilafat movement in 1919 to protest against the British treatment of the Khilafah. In 1920 to 1922, Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement. According to this movement, the leaders boycotted British services, schools, courts and goods. They promoted Indian schools, native courts and spinning of kadi. Kadi is homespun using a chakra. Then students, lawyers, tribals, workers, people from middle and lower class also followed Gandhiji. Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Rajendra Prasad, C. Rajagopalachari, Khan Abdul Zafar Khan and many other national leaders helped Gandhiji to lead the non-cooperation movement. But this movement was ended in February 1922 due to the incidents of Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur where 22 or 23 policemen were killed. Civil disobedience movement was against certain laws and commands of the British. The movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi ji in 1930. The British government had introduced a tax on salt production in India. Mahatma Gandhi demanded the production of salt without paying any tax for it. Gandhiji organized the Salt Satyagraha March, also called the Dandi March. The march started from the Sabarmati Ashramam in Ahmedabad. Gandhi and his followers walked 320 km in 24 days and finally reached Dandi, a place on the coast of Gujarat, where they made salt from sea water. In 1942, Mahatma Gandhi started the Quit India movement. He called all the Indians to do or die in their struggle to win freedom from the British. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army to fight against the British. Many Indians joined the Indian National Army. The army also received international support from many countries. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the famous slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," and Jai Hind. The British decided to leave India after the World War II in 1945. India gained its independence on 15th August 1947. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India and Rajendra Prasad became the first President. And finally, we completed our revision part and it's time to do worksheet. Write part A, important words. Find 30 words from lesson 17, the freedom struggle, and write those words in A4 sheet as shown to you. Write part B, match the incidents with the year in which they happened. Number 1, Jallianwala Bagh. Number 2, Rowlatt Act. Number 3, Civil Disobedience Movement. Number 4, Quit India Movement. Number 5, India Gets Independence. Part C. Write the following events in the correct order. First one, Rowlatt Act passed. Number 2, Non-Cooperation Movement. Number 3, Jallianwala Bagh. Number 4, Quit India Movement. Number 5, Civil Disobedience Movement. Part D. Unscramble the letters to form the correct words. First question. The general who ordered to fire and kill thousands in Jallianwala Bagh. Number 2. The march to get salt from the sea and show defense to the British. Number 3. The great Indian leader who gave the slogan of do or die. After completing your worksheet, use answer key to check your answer. After completing your worksheet, take photocopy and forward it to our mail ID. Our mail ID is edustar.5@gmail.com, and don't forget to mention your roll number and subject in the subject column. Children, wear mask when you move out. Wash your hands frequently. Maintain social distance. Stay home and stay safe. Bye students. Meet you all in the next video.